Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Dehradun that specializes in providing high-quality building information modeling (BIM) services. With a team of experienced professionals and advanced technology, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has established itself as a trusted name in the industry. As a BIM company, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd offers a wide range of services to clients in Dehradun and beyond. These services include 3D modeling, clash detection, quantity takeoff, construction documentation, and project coordination. The company uses cutting-edge software and tools to ensure accurate and efficient project delivery. One of the key advantages of choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as your BIM partner is their expertise in handling complex projects. The team at Scon Design India Pvt Ltd has worked on a diverse range of projects, including residential, commercial, industrial, and institutional buildings. Their deep understanding of various construction processes and standards enables them to deliver customized solutions to meet the specific requirements of each project. In addition to their technical expertise, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd also emphasizes sustainability in their BIM services. They incorporate green building practices and energy-efficient design principles into their projects to minimize environmental impact. By leveraging BIM technology, they can simulate and analyze different design options to optimize energy performance and reduce carbon footprint. Choosing Scon Design India Pvt Ltd as your BIM company in Dehradun ensures that you have a reliable partner who can handle all aspects of your project. From initial conceptualization to the final construction stage, their team will be there to support you every step of the way. With their commitment to quality, innovation, and sustainability, Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is the ideal choice for all your BIM needs in Dehradun. Scon Design India Pvt Ltd is a leading BIM company in Dehradun, offering comprehensive building information modeling (BIM) services. With our expertise in various architectural and engineering disciplines, we provide innovative and sustainable solutions to our clients. Our team of highly skilled professionals is committed to delivering projects that meet the highest standards of quality and efficiency. At Scon Design India Pvt Ltd, we strive to stay updated with the latest advancements in BIM technology. Our team is proficient in using industry-leading software such as Autodesk Revit and Navisworks, which enable us to collaborate effectively with architects, engineers, contractors, and other stakeholders. This collaborative approach ensures that all parties involved have access to accurate information throughout the project lifecycle, enhancing communication and coordination. Our BIM services include architectural modeling,